Hi there, how's it going? In this short video, I'll go through some techniques that will help you become more proficient in using Excel and save you a lot of time. I'll post additional videos in the future, so please subscribe to my channel and give us a like. In this video, we look at a great little time saver, the Autofill feature. So let's get into it. In this example, we'll create a timetable and we'll use Autofill to populate the dates and times very quickly. So click in cell A7 and we see that the date there is Monday the 21st of September. Now if you position your cursor to the bottom right hand side of the screen, you'll notice that the cursor changes to a plus sign. This is called the fill handle. Simply click and drag down, release your mouse button and you've automatically populated the dates. To fill in the times, click in cell B6, position your cursor to the bottom right hand side again until the fill handle appears, click and drag across and release your mouse button and now you've filled in the times. So there you go, all you have to do now is enter in your activities and that was a very quick and easy little timetable. In this next example, we're going to show you how to create a list of pay dates very quickly. If, for example, you get paid on a fortnightly basis, it might be a great idea to see when exactly you're going to be paid. So, in cell A36, we see our next payday is due on Thursday, the 1st of October, 2020. So if you click in the cell below that and type in the equal sign, then click in the cell above, which is A36. What I want to do really is add 14 days to that particular date. So click plus 14 and then click enter. And there you have Thursday the 15th of October. So using our very handy little autofill feature, we can go over and simply click and drag down. And now we have a list of all our pay dates right through to the 27th of May 2020. And finally, I want to show you the autofill options. I just want to drag this list down as before. And you'll notice at the bottom of the list here, there's a small little box which is called the autofill options. And this can be a very handy feature. For example, if you just want to see the days of the week, work days of the week, and take out Saturdays and Sundays, click fill work days. And they're gone. Also, what you can do here is you can fill in months. So click fill months. And you can see there September, October, all the way through to August 2021. And finally then, if you want to fill in years, click fill years. And your years now show from 2020 to 2031. So there you have it, the autofill feature, a very great little time saver. So thanks for watching and hopefully we'll see you again soon.